I used to think AI would save time. That was the promise everyone believed. Use AI. Work faster. Get more done. And honestly, at first, it feels like it works. You open AI. You type something. You get an answer. It feels productive. But then something strange starts happening. You don't actually finish work faster. You just stay busy longer. You open AI more often. You tweak prompts. You adjust wording. You fix outputs. 10 minutes pass. Then 15. Sometimes 20. And eventually, you realize something uncomfortable. You could have done the task yourself faster. But your brain doesn't see it as wasted time. It feels like progress. And that's the trap. AI creates the illusion of productivity. You feel busy. You feel focused. You feel like you're working. But busy is not the same as effective. That's why so many people feel frustrated with AI. Not because AI is bad, but because it's used in a way that creates friction. Most people treat AI like a conversation. They talk to it. They explain the task every time. They add more context. They clarify again and again. But conversations reset. There's no leverage in them. Every task starts from zero. No memory. No structure. No accumulation. That's why AI feels powerful one day and completely useless the next. Nothing compounds. And here's the part most people miss. The people who actually save time with AI don't talk to it more. They talk to it less. They don't experiment every time. They don't search for the perfect prompt. They reuse the same structure, same input, same format, same rules. That's when AI stops feeling random and starts feeling reliable. Quick side note. If you're trying to use AI for real work, not just testing tools or playing with prompts, I share the exact templates and simple systems I use in my Telegram channel. No hype. No complicated setups. Just practical things you can copy and use immediately. The link is in the description. All right, back to the point. AI doesn't save time by being smarter. It saves time by being predictable. If every task is different, AI slows you down. If every task follows a structure, AI becomes fast. That's the difference. Most people think the problem is that AI isn't good enough. But the real problem is that their workflow has no shape. They redo decisions that should have been made once. They explain tasks that should have been saved as templates. They repeat thinking that should have been automated. And repetition without structure is where time disappears. Here's a simple rule that changed everything for me. If a task repeats, you should never explain it again. Explain it once. Save the structure. Reuse it forever. That's how AI actually saves time. not by replacing your thinking, but by removing repetition. Once I stopped forcing AI into every part of my work, things became much clearer. I knew exactly when to use it and when not to. And that clarity saved more time than any new AI tool ever did. That's why some people win with AI and others quietly fall behind. They're using the same tools, but not the same process. AI didn't make me faster. Structure did. AI just made structure easier to reuse. If you want the exact templates I use and simple AI systems that actually reduce work, check the link in the description and join my Telegram channel. I share practical things there that don't always make it to YouTube.